I said to her, you may benefit from some tools quieting your mind. She says, I hate meditation. I said, look, meditation is hard, especially if you've never done it before. And sitting for 20 minutes in the beginning is something like, you'd rather have a root canal. But what if you can integrate this practice with something that you're already doing? Meaning, you make coffee first thing in the morning, or maybe you make tea. If you're like most people like me, you do. And so what if during the time you made your coffee, you simply focused on the sound the drip makes? This is like less than a minute if you have a Keurig, or if you have an actual drip coffee, maybe a little longer. But any wandering thoughts that pass through your mind, just bring your focus and attention back to the sound your coffee maker is making. You're already making it. And so it's a way to train your brain first thing in the morning that you are in control. And if you do this a minute here and a minute there, you will feel so much more in control over your thoughts. And your thoughts dictate how you feel. And so this muscle, when it gets nice and strong, will serve you during the times of overthinking or analysis paralysis. You know what I'm talking about? And so the more you practice something that you're already doing and just listening to the sound your coffee maker makes, the more you'll strengthen the muscle of focus. Because wherever you focus, you get more of. And if it feels good, you get more of it. And if it doesn't, well, if you can't control those thoughts, you're going to feel crappy for a good part of your day. That's what it boils down to.